How to enable lock screen in Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Want an extra layer of privacy so only you can open the app. Let's turn on screen lock. Tap on your profile icon at top left corner. Then tap settings. Now scroll down and tap privacy. This is where all the security magic happens. Scroll down and find screen lock and toggle the switch on. Signal will now require your phone unlock method like fingerprint, face ID or PIN. Every time you open the app, want to control when the lock activates, tap screen lock timeout and choose the time like immediately 1 minute, 5 minutes or longer, totally up to you. Close the app and reopen it and boom, Signal will ask for your unlock, extra security achieved. And that's it. Enabling screen lock in Signal keeps your chat extra safe from paying eyes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it so your friend can unlock down their Signal too. Stay secure and happy chatting. Thank you for watching.